This is Tessa from Ultra Agent, and today we're going to show you how to create markets. A market is an MLS saved search, and creating a market allows you to create community pages for your website. They're also great landing pages for capturing leads. For example, if you post on social media saying, "Hey, check out these homes in this area," and have a link to your market page, that's a great way to have people come to your website and create those leads. To give you a visual idea of what it will look like, I'm going to click on to Preview Website, and then I'm going to scroll down to Featured Properties, and under Communities, that's where my markets will show up. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you want to create a new market is click on IDX Control Panel. It's going to load a new tab, and once you're there, you can click on Markets. Markets is going to show all of the different markets that you already have on your website, or going to have. So let's click on Add a Market. Once you're here, you can type in your name. And if you don't really have one picked out yet, you're more than welcome to just put my first market or market for whatever community, whatever you'd like. For me, I'm going to put Roosevelt Homes for right now, and then I'm going to click on Type and scroll down to Basic MLS Search. Once I click on it, it should load up the rest of the criteria I can fill in. So I'm going to click on Location first and click on View All. And I'm going to do Roosevelt. And now you can pick some other ones if you'd like, but for right now I'm just going to close it. This green box up here is going to show you all the results for your current criteria. I'm going to narrow it down a bit by putting a price range. So I'm going to put 200,000 between 300,000. Now if I click outside of the max price box, my criteria has changed. So I'm going to save it and check out my website and to see if it's there. Click on Preview Website, go down to Featured Properties, Communities, and there it is. It's my first community now. And I can click on it and it will show the 22 results. Now let's say you want something a little more specific than what we have here. All you're going to have to do is click on this arrow, and we're going to do Advanced MLS Search. Now you can see that most of it is still the same. However, now you've got required features, subdivisions, lot acres, and MLS searches or MLS areas for something a little more specific. Now, your MLS is probably different from mine, so it might appear a little different, but for the most part, this is how it should look like. Now, if I click on Pool here, I have now 4 results. So I can click on this and edit it and say Roosevelt Homes between 200 and 300,000 with a pool. So now if I save it, my title has changed to be what I want it to be, and if we go back to check out the website, it should have changed there as well, and it did. And if I click on it, it's going to have the 4 results now versus the 22. There are some other nifty little things that you can do while creating a market. If you go to Settings, you can see that you can do a web page intro text, or if you wanted to do custom branding, You can add some text into a header, subheader, or footer. But you can also, in general, do a short description. So if I wanted to put great family homes under my Roosevelt Homes title, this is where you would put it. Also, we have a sort order, so if I wanted this one to be the last one on my communities page, I would just press number 5 because I only have 5 of them. Click Save. Now, if I go back to my communities page, my preview website, it should be the last one, and it should have the short description. And there it is. Another thing you can do is when you click on Markets again, you can see that your new one is right there, and you can make a copy if you'd like and change it, or you can delete it if you'd like. Thank you for joining us on how to create a market, and have a great day.